On the 17th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, I asked Chinese government, who claims to be upholding human rights, where is my brother, who has been missing since February 20, 2018? Where are 15 of my family members who are arbitrarily sent to Chinese internment camps, imprisoned and missing? Where is their human right?